Okay, so can you tell us really quick what happened to you and why are you looking for chiropractic services?
Well, I was moving some stuff from my sister from her apartment. There were a lot of heavy things I had to bring down the stairs. Then
Okay.
I heard a crack in my back. I didn't feel any pain at first, but then a few weeks later I started to notice gradual pain occurring in my lower back.
Okay.
Sometimes on the left side of my back as well.
Okay. So after the examination, I'm just gonna go over it. So basically, what I found that the right side of your sacrum is out. So we're gonna adjust here, and then we're gonna adjust the L3 on your lumbar. That's the one that's out. We're gonna adjust the middle back right here, and we're gonna adjust the left side of your neck. Okay. And then we'll see how you feel after that. And then after I finish adjusting, you're gonna see my massage therapist. She's gonna work on you. Okay?
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
No? Okay. Let's get this done. Okay. Lean back, please. Relax. Actually, it's the right side of your neck that's misaligned. There's a little bit on the left as well, but not as much. Okay, go ahead, lie on your stomach face down, please. Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay. Okay, go on your side, face me, please. Let you sleep on your side. Okay. Relax this leg. Give me your right hand. Give me the left hand. Okay, so just relax. You're not gonna fall, okay?
Okay.
Relax. Okay, nice. Okay, sit up, please. Okay, be careful. Put your feet over here on this side. Go on this side, face me, put your legs over here. Go on this side, face me. Okay, good. Now, stand on your feet. Let me know how it feels. How does it feel?
Feels good.
Is it good? Is it more straight or
Yeah, feels
more
good.
loose? Okay, let's go see my massage therapist and we'll go from there, okay?